What do you got there? Phenols and phenols? Powerful, huh?
Phenols, phenols,
What's that, the golden latte?
Yep. Golden latte.
Premium. Premium power.
Lots of recent discoveries relative to nutrition, and they said it's always been in there. Nature's best unleashed.
Curry rice is basically turmeric,
Yes.
turban, cyan, basically.
Yeah.
So that's what you start your roux with that. And you go from there.
Nice. Chuck Ron explained something to me the other day in such a succinct way about when he was a manager and these kids were running wild there at a restaurant. And
Can't have that.
he said, when I'm sitting there holding my coffee, he goes, then I'm doing my job right. Oh, and the kid get a little bit. That means I'm orchestrating enough so that I don't even have to get up. That means I'm managing you properly to do your job properly. And I loved it. And I'm giving a short shrift. He told it beautifully. And a great point, mind you. This is always the crux of non-Damon stories.
Well, yeah.
And we speak about what we're speaking about. Pleasure. That was a great one.
But luckily, everyone made sure that that was never the case.
Yeah. Although it's rivaled by the soba noodles. You're just dropping them down after biking to Japan and say, I'm going to go for grandpa to get to the girl. That's even better. I love it, man. And well told, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget a thing.
It's chess.
Good and bad.
Chess
I don't
moves.
forget a
Yeah.
thing.
Sometimes there'll be no offense, but women don't know their minds.
That outback chick.
Maybe they do.
I'm thinking, she's saying, oh, I like the big John Wayne guy in the middle. He means the guy looks like he's going to shoot a fucking synagogue tonight.
This elderberry. Elderberry.
I'm going to pass it. It seems risky for my sister. Thank you so much.
Elderberry.
That. Sorry. Well, I'm very serious. Chicken super loaded. Elder, the darker the berry, the more rich the color the phenol. So get away from the sex jokes. That is true. Dark cherry.
Yeah, berries, potent.
Very potent. Like exorcism, no consistency. Tomorrow will come at one point, and the benefits will show up with you. You do it every day to have the future.
We got this guy coming there.
Yeah.
I was talking about when I first went in there, and we talked about parlay, a better word. When I wake up grinding in the mood for a lot of reasons, I can't get out of it, and I shouldn't get out of it, so I work out the thing. Man, I just take it till I get that parlay and it's something happening. You guys always do it. Thank you.
Parlay.
That's right. Did the anti-Damon when you went to get the tumor? We pitched and took movies inside of like 11 minutes, more than we've ever had in 11 months. You need to sit down. Yeah, not cloud in the sky. Clear, good sight lines. See the concrete on the way up on Lincoln.
Yeah, the sunsets have been nice.
Yeah.
Power.
And they said the wind's going to die
It's a blower.
when the sun goes down to some extent. So this blustery, that's the reason I do look up to God. I said, if it's windy like this, you'll have an answer when the ending, because otherwise I wouldn't bring it up. It should decide it. Because that was nice.
Yeah, very nice.
You know, it's Hanukkah, so half of my building is all quiet right now, so I may be able to take over that damn fucking laundry room for the first time since the pandemic. That's the goal. Matching clothes with the Sherpa.
Oh yeah, this is Sherpa weather now. Starting to feel like Sherpa
man,
weather.
You know me, I'm gonna put together, you know, the right
It's time.
shoes. Yeah, just drop the outfit.
It's time to emerge.
Oh yeah, and just banging it right to the end of 2020. You just like you said the other day, you know, like you still got time.
Yeah.
The whole butterfly.
Now's your time. Yeah, now's your time. Crickets out there, so it's time to emerge as on the new stage, as a quiet stage. Good time to emerge with your new gear. And
whenever I clean up, sometimes I have not been in the last 3 years. My building manager, my barometer, very reactive to appearances. She went to the factory to St. Peter's She's all smoking here. Usually impressed. Authority, Soviet Union. I got a niece who speaks fluent Russian. Her mother's Russian. Hey Chris, put your daughter on the phone.
You go read Polinsky?
My brother married a Russian woman, and his daughter speaks it fluently, and the son kind of like want to play baseball. Daddy, do I really have to, you know? I want to meet out the Brooklyn Common. I don't want to know my mother's language. They can't even voice so much about that. They can yell at the mother. They're just like every other culture, Ron. They'll tell you what part of Russia they're from. You ever hear the Irish talk about the Irish? Killer. Oh boy, they're horrible. I'm not one of those. Please. Everybody's a Pierce Brosnan, Colin Farrell, dark Irish. Right? Give me a few of them on the corner. Pass through every generation. Put me on our corner. How you doing? Jackie Fry. Brooklyn Oaks. Nice to meet you, son.
the loaf. Day of the loaf.
You know, it's funny, it's a social piece of people do this year. I'm more public. To be standing there by yourself and you know that 27, you're automatically in your little world. You know, check out the old cat just chilling like he owns the house behind him. Yes, sir.
The herb.
Keep it up, spark it. I come up with all the ones at the top of my head. I have so much fun with this. Jack. You know? All the ones are cool. Yes, bro. Mountain Bud. Yeah. Behind me now. Get behind me. Remember the guys you said on the spit? They just look right in the eye. Look at you.
Oh, those guys. Those are the guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So they got big coming and going. They got you going. Time to vibe. And you kind of know, like, yeah. Are you ready, son? Willie to Woody? Us to Dion? It's time. It's time.
Yeah, we'll get him roasted soon. He's ready to roast.
Yeah.
He's ready to roast.
The other day by the car, he said, I said, we went out and about with the chicks, Dion. And he goes, yeah, but I was hungry on the mushrooms. He's like, I didn't know if I could pull that together. So now he's saying it's good news. He's blaming on the fungi. And when he was tripping like earlier in the summer, man, I'm running on one piston, boys. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, you're smacking the back of the head. You're 24. We love to get on it.
Keep it herbal, you'll be fine.
Keep it herbal. And every little corner there, we dropped seeds. Johnny has. Every little spot is welcome now. Come over to the wall.
Yes.
Yeah.
Keep it herbal, but you also do that with.
Thank you.
Kenny?
Oh, yeah. No, avoid that one.
That's from Mr. Herbal, dude. It's like, really?
Yeah.
Mr. Pure, Mr. Everything's
Austin
gotta be
was telling me a story as
sanitized.
if I wasn't there again. Oh, that's right, you were there. I said, oh yeah, we listened to every lyric of every fucking song, every lick of every guitar. So you're very focused that evening. And then he goes, oh yeah, that must have been that. And they played it off the ketamine. I said, no, I corrected it.
I wonder if that was the Ted Nugent night. Cat scratch fever, yeah, maybe.
Oh, that wrapped up tight. People like,
I was like, whoa, dude,
man,
you
you
just
guys
mentioned
can
that
get
one.
those telepath. I said, do that 5 times an hour. Those ones you just cannot make up.